I cloned myself with AI, uploaded 2 faceless YouTube videos, and yes, I made money. But here's the catch. YouTube is cracking down on AI videos, and unless you know the rules, your channel could be at risk. Get it right, and you can tap into a $6 billion AI content industry that's exploding right now. First, let's clear the confusion. Is YouTube banning AI? Number 1. YouTube is cracking down on repetitive, lazy content. Clips stolen from others, generic scripts, recycled footage. That's what I call AI slop. But unique, intentional AI videos are not just allowed, they're monetized. I proved this myself. I posted 2 AI shorts, and both earned money. Not huge numbers, but real YouTube monetization. So what separates AI crap from AI craft? Intentionality. Take Veron, an entrepreneur who publishes thousands of AI-generated news shorts. These aren't sloppy uploads. They're timely updates with solid storytelling. His results? Millions of views and a growing channel. That's the difference. YouTube isn't against AI, it's against lazy content. To make this easy, I use InVideo AI. It can clone your avatar, create faceless videos, add captions, voiceovers, even translate into multiple languages. On a brand new channel I tested, one faceless short pulled in over 11,000 views overnight. That's the power of combining a strong idea with the right tool. Here's my 4-step checklist for AI videos that work. Number 1. Start with a strong idea. Don't just spit out prompts. Find topics people care about. Number 2. Hook fast. The first 3 seconds decide if viewers scroll away. Number 3. Shape the script yourself. AI helps, but you give it personality. Number 4. Optimize packaging. Title, description, SEO, and thumbnail are everything. The bottom line? YouTube doesn't hate AI. It hates lazy videos. If you focus on AI craft, not AI crap, you can grow faceless channels, get monetized, and earn real income. Tools like InVideo AI make it simple, but your creativity and strategy make it powerful. So,